Alright, hey y'all, so we're about to do this unboxing for the Thefitfineflawless. As y'all know, this is my go-to bundle. It's called the Get Thick bundle. You can use the link in my website to go ahead and look it up and purchase that, get a little money off. So okay y'all, we got the Get Thick soap. So after you wash your body as usual, you will use the soap right after. Y'all see all them lovely herbs and everything that's in it. That's what helps set the skin for the creams. After that, I'm finna show y'all this one of my favorite go-tos as well. It's a BBL in a bottle. Okay, help you get thick real quick. Okay, help release those hip dips. All right, next we had the Coco buns, and this is the scrub that you would use after the soap. And right here, y'all, we got to get the thicker than the snicker. So these are my go-to products. I did not get their rack up cream because I still have some, but I'm gonna open the jar and show y'all what this look like. I'm gonna open a lot of the products that I received today, so show y'all what they look like. I was struggling, don't mind me. But this is the thicker than the snicker cream, very potent. I got the 8-ounce container. And then I'm gonna go ahead and open up the BBL in a bottle so y'all can see what that look like. It's definitely like the strongest little thing on there. Like, I love it. Okay, it's super rich, super moisturizing. And then I'm gonna close this up because I like to keep my products fresh. And I'm gonna go ahead and open up this cocoa bun scrub. It's a coffee scrub, and it basically, y'all, just sets the skin after using the Get Thick soap. So once you put the oil and the cream on, it penetrates the skin and it helps you receive the products better. Y'all see that looks gorgeous, just a fucking amazing. This is my favorite ass product, y'all. I had a little bit on my hand, so I brushed it off. So that's what I got in my little box, y'all know. So go ahead and shop. Use the link in my bio. Get money off. Yeah, see y'all later.